Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for sweetheart theme and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how we can create this sweetheart outfit. Okay, the first one, you can choose this hairstyle and you can color it with this color. And then you're going to choose this face, and after that we're going to wear the skirt and color it pink. This is for the color code. And then I'm going to go to the top area and I'm going to wear this butterfly top, color it pink, the same pink guys, and also this one, and I'm going to color it pink as well for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to wear this this boot, and I'm going to combine it with this item. Wait, it's here. Okay, and then I'm going to color the second selection with the same pink. Oops, sorry. I'm going to color the second selection for the boot with this pink. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to put some accessories. I'm going to grab this item, this one, and then I'm going to color it with this pink for the first selection. And for the next selection, I'm going to color it this pink, and the last selection pink, this pink. Okay, and it will create something like this. And I'm going to move to the necklace area. I'm going to wear this necklace. Okay, and then I'm going to wear the sunglasses and change the toggle to on hat. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.